If you're wondering about Trickle AI and if it's really the best just released AI software, stick around. There are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. First, let's talk about what makes Trickle AI stand out. This isn't just another AI tool. It's designed to streamline your workflow and automate your digital marketing in ways you haven't seen before. If you're someone who's into optimizing processes or improving efficiency, this software promises to be a game changer. You can try it for free, and I've left the link for you in the description below to get started right now. Now, Trickle AI's user interface is incredibly intuitive, which makes it great for beginners and experienced marketers alike. Even if you've never used AI in your marketing before, Trickle makes it easy to integrate. With minimal setup, you can be up and running in no time, cutting down on the usual learning curve that other AI tools might give you. It's not just about using AI, it's about using it effectively to save you time. One of the most significant features of Trickle AI is its ability to automate content creation. This tool helps generate articles, blogs, and even social media posts at scale. Whether you're running an agency or managing a small business, this software can dramatically reduce the time spent on content creation, all while keeping it highly relevant and on-brand. Another great thing about Trickle is its intelligent data analysis capabilities. It can assess your audience's behavior and help you tweak your campaigns in real time for better performance. The AI makes recommendations based on live data, so you're always ahead of the curve. This data-driven approach allows you to optimize your strategy, boost conversions, and get the most out of your campaigns. Speaking of optimization, Trickle AI also integrates well with popular platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and more, making it easier to sync your campaigns across multiple channels. If you're running paid ads, you'll love the way it helps you make data-backed decisions to adjust your spend for maximum impact. This level of integration puts Trickle AI in a league of its own, saving you countless hours you'd otherwise spend manually managing different platforms. Now, what I really like about Trickle is its advanced personalization features. The software isn't just spitting out generic recommendations or content. It's built to cater to your specific audience. Trickle uses machine learning to adapt to your needs and helps you create personalized experiences for users, increasing engagement and conversions. There's also an automation element that's worth mentioning. Trickle AI doesn't just help with creating content or analyzing data, it also automates follow-ups, which is huge for businesses that need to maintain constant communication with their clients. Whether it's through email or SMS, the software ensures you don't miss a beat when it comes to customer relationships. To wrap things up, the 7th thing you need to know about Trickle AI is the support system. If you ever run into any issues or need help, the team behind the software is incredibly responsive. Unlike other AI tools where you're left trying to figure things out on your own, Trickle's customer service is ready to assist when you need them. If you're looking for an AI tool that can enhance your digital marketing efforts, save time, and help you scale efficiently, Trickle AI is definitely worth exploring. And remember, you can try it for free by using the link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've also left a list of my recommended AI software that you can check out and try for free. Go ahead and explore those options too. They're game changers.